Veterans and lawmakers who served in Afghanistan are joining calls for the federal government to step in further following chaos after the Taliban seized the capital city yesterday. Local 22's Courtney Kramer joins us now live in the newsroom with more on that. And she did check in with officials on both sides of the lake tonight. Courtney?
Lauren, they tell me the government should quickly approve visas for Afghan allies and evacuate citizens immediately.
There's a feeling that everything we tried to do for the past 20 years was for naught. And that's tough to swallow.
New York Senator Rob Ortt calls the situation in Afghanistan deeply personal. He served as a combat mentor to the Afghan National Police in 2008. He says their mission was to build a safer and more stable country. Now, Ortt is working to help an interpreter from that group escape the brutality of the Taliban regime.
They will find them, and if they think or believe that he was affiliated with the U.S. or coalition forces at any point, they will execute him. We owe it to those folks who assisted us to do everything we can to evacuate them out of Afghanistan. And if we don't do that, shame on us, because our credibility will be even more damaged than it already is.
Videos circulated Monday showing U.S. forces struggling to conduct an evacuation at the airport. Desperate Afghans climbed onto moving military planes to try to get out of the country. At least 7 people have reportedly died trying to escape.
We tell ourselves, part of our responsibility is to keep a lot of this to ourselves, and we do these jobs and to make sure that the folks that are here at home don't have to experience that. But these stories need to get told so we don't repeat the same mistakes of the past.
Andrew Joyce, a New York Army National Guard member, also spent time overseas training the Afghan army and police. American forces are scheduled to leave Afghanistan by September 11th, 20 years after the attack which led to the conflict. Senator Ortt says there are a lot of questions to be asked on how this could happen in a country we essentially ran.
And we've now ended 20 years in Afghanistan with an equally colossal intelligence failure. To me, that we couldn't see this coming, or that someone in a position, a Joint Chiefs of Staff, the President, National Security Council, could not see that this was going to happen.
We did reach out to the Vermont National Guard for reaction. They stressed that this situation is fresh for many veterans, and no one felt ready yet to weigh in. Reporting live tonight from the newsroom, Courtney Kramer, Local 22 News.